Today I am going to teach you trigonometry functions related. The problem is this one. Find the sum of the infinite series of cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18 plus cot inverse 32 and so on. Now the problem. Now solution of that is solution of. Say this is infinite series. For that you put S n. N carries to infinity. N carries to infinity. So, cot inverse of 2 plus cot inverse of 8, cot inverse of 18 plus cot inverse of 32 and so on. Now, cot inverse of 2 into 1 plus cot inverse of 2 into now this is 2 square plus cot inverse of 2 into 3 square plus cot inverse of 2 into 4 square and so on. Now this can be written as 1 square also. Now cot inverse of 2 into 1 square plus cot inverse of 2 into 2 square, cot inverse of 2 into 3 square, cot inverse of 2 into 4 square. This means cot inverse of 2 into del dash now plus cot inverse of 2 into n square. This can be written as like that also. 2 into why? Because 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 2 and n square like that. So this is 2 n square. 2 n square. This can be written as sigma also. This can be written as sigma. Sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity. N is equal to 1 to infinity. Now this can be written as n is equal to 1 to infinity. Cot inverse of 2n square is equal to n is equal to 1 to infinity. This is tan inverse of 1 by 2n square. Why? Because cot opposite is tan. Why? Because I will explain you. Cot of inverse of 2n square say is equal to alpha. Then applying tan on both sides, but cot on both sides. 2n square is equal to cot alpha. Now opposite of this means 1 by 2n square means 1 by cot alpha can be written as tan alpha. Implies alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2n square. Like that. This cot inverse of 2n square is nothing but tan inverse of 1 by 2n square. We explained previously about this. Now this is equal to this. This can be written as inverse of n is equal to 1 to 50 tan inverse of 1 by 2n square is equal to n is equal to 1 to infinity. Tan inverse of this can be written as multiply with numerator 2 and denominator also 2. So 4n square. Now again n is equal to 1 to infinity. Tan inverse of 2. This 2 can be split like this. 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1 by, now 4n square, now that's can be written as 2n plus 1 into 2n minus 1. Am I correct? Now you see 2. Now minus 1 plus 1. This is 2 only. 2n gets cancelled. Plus 1 and plus 1. It plus 2. No, there is no change at all. I ironed it into the tan a minus b formula. This is equal to n is equal to 1 to infinity tan inverse of. Now this is tan inverse of 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1. Tan inverse of. Tan inverse of I will explain here. Tan inverse of alpha minus tan inverse of beta is equal to tan inverse of alpha minus beta by 1 plus alpha and beta, like that. Tan inverse of alpha minus tan inverse of beta. Here minus is there, minus. Here plus will come. In interchange, plus means minus e will come here, like that. Sigma 1 to infinity tan inverse of 1 by 2n can be written as like this. This can be written as like this. Then Tn is equal to from this formula we got this one. Suppose T1 is equal to tan inverse of, this is 3 minus tan inverse of means this is 1 plus Tn nth term of this series is this one, so that T1 instead of n you substitute here 1, we will get this one. N is equal to 2, you substitute this, we will get T is equal to n3 means instead of n you put here 3, we will get like this, and so on. Now here in this like terms will cancel out. At last what we are getting here, Sn means sum of this is equal to Sn is equal to, we will get tan to the power of 2n plus 1 minus tan to the power of 1 only. Left one terms are this and this only. Left one terms are already cancelled out. This and this and this and this and so on, like this here. Now this is Sn. Sn means here Sn limit n tends to infinity. N tends to infinity means this one is equal to tan inverse of 2n plus 1 minus tan inverse of 1 is equal to tan inverse of means tan inverse of infinity means this is pi by 2. This tan inverse of this is pi by 4. Taking LCM is here, LCM is direct 4 means pi minus this 4 to LCM is, or otherwise you directly write here pi by 4 only.